Hi, I'm Meg from Tokyo. I'm gonna show you my best 12 spots in Tokyo. Some of the spots I'm gonna show you in this video have just opened in 2023. I've uploaded many attractive spots, useful tips when you travel to Japan. Please check them later. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter as well. Please follow them if you're not yet. Okay then, let's go! Number 1. TOKYU Kabukicho Tower. This 47-story tower has just opened in Shinjuku in April 2023 with a height of about 225 meters. It's become a landmark presence in the Kabukicho area. The building embodies the chaotic excitement of Shinjuku Kabukicho Street, which is the busiest night street in Japan. The first through fifth floors of the building are occupied by games and restaurants, which is an interesting area with a strong sense of entertainment. You can enjoy not only eating and playing games, but also just walking around with your family and friends. In the game corner, you can experience virtual and claw machine, only one in the world. I'm not very good at it, so I didn't try this time. Also, the first basement to the fourth basement floors are live music venues for artists. The 9th and 10th floors are premium movie theaters with a relaxed vibe. The 17th floor is a fancy bar, and the floors above the 18th floors are occupied by a luxury hotel for tourists. The high-rise building offers panoramic views of Tokyo from its window. For a limited time only, the hotel also offers special accommodation plans and other special offers in collaboration with the popular anime Evangelion. Have a wonderful time in Kabukicho Tower! Number 2. Furusato Choice. This spot has just opened in December 2022 on the first floor of Shinjuku Marui. Ao means you encounter something, and Furusato means hometown. You can enjoy gachapon called Daruma Gacha with 500 Japanese yen. If you turn a large capsule toy to right, you will see a Daruma designed out of 47 prefectures throughout Japan. You can exchange Daruma to a curry at the counter. I'm so excited which curry I got among 47 kinds of curry nationwide. I got a shiitake curry in Tokushima Prefecture. You can get a curry for now, but please make sure it will be different at each period. You can also check various kinds of beer at the shop. It must be a good opportunity to find new goods of all over Japan, so feel free to drop by. Number 3. Warner Brothers Studio Tour Tokyo, the making of Harry Potter. This indoor Harry Potter theme park opened on June 16, 2023 on the former site of Toshimaen. This theme park is only available in the UK and Japan. It's very large and has many sets that perfectly recreate the world of Harry Potter. You can see Platform 9 and 3/4, Diagon Alley, Great Hall, London Ministry of Magic, Forbidden Forest, and more. This is a spot where you can not only see the film set, but also experience as if you are inside the Harry Potter world. There's also a wide selection of restaurants. You can also enjoy Harry Potter's Great Hall restaurants and cafe. Butterbeer and Harry Potter plate are popular in the theme park restaurant, but instead, I had traditional British food, burgers, and pasta at the main hall. I also tried a Harry Potter owl-shaped cafe at the Halfway Cafe. They are very delicious! For me personally, it felt more like a Harry Potter museum than a theme park. If you're thinking of visiting, I think you should watch the Harry Potter series beforehand in order to enjoy twice as much. It's an extremely popular new spot, so online reservations are required. Plus, the souvenir area is well stocked, so you should reserve extra time for that as well. Please have a wonderful time at this theme park. Number 4. French Noodle Factory. This restaurant specializes in lobster ramen. The theme of the restaurant is the fusion of French cuisine and ramen, and you can enjoy a unique ramen that you won't find anywhere else. It's amazing bold ramen that used the special ingredients procured by the French chef. Let's eat! Unbelievable! It's super delicious! After finishing the noodles, I also recommend the risotto with rice and lobster soup topped with plenty of cheese. If you're a cheese lover or even not, this risotto is a must-eat. The soup and rice with cheese go really well together. It's a bit expensive compared to other ramen shops, but it's definitely worth visiting here. Number 5. Parco. By walking through Shibuya Crossing, which is a popular scramble crossing in Shibuya. Parco is a 5-minute walk from Shibuya Station. It's the world's busiest crossing with as many as 3,000 people crossing at a time. For the Parco on the 6th floor, you will definitely like it. Let me show you why. Let's get inside. This is the first direct management official shop of Nintendo in Japan. There are a lot of fancy goods as well as gaming devices and soft. Because it's so popular, you need to get the numbered ticket to get in. I found Mario area. These remind me of the day I used to play the new Super Mario Bros. Oh, kawaii! Number 6. Shibuya Scramble Square. Shibuya Scramble Square is the new landmark of Shibuya. The main highlight is Shibuya Sky. You could see the view of Tokyo all around. I'm heading up to the 47th floor, which is the top of this building. I'm really excited to see the view. It was so beautiful. It might be a bit pricey than other towers, but this is worth going. Plus, if you like it, there's a bar at the top so you can grab some with your friends. Number 7. Shibuya Yokocho. This is a new type of izakaya that combines food and entertainment which opened in 2020. It's about 100 meters long with 19 restaurants in a row. You can casually enjoy soul food from all over Japan, from Hokkaido in the north to Okinawa in the south. There are a variety of local cuisine, local ramen, rice balls, gyoza, yakitori, fried chicken, and more. Okay, I decided on a Chinatown restaurant from Yokohama. First, I got fried rice. It's so delicious. Fried chicken with this nice sauce is also flavorful. Number 8. Burger Revolution Tokyo. This restaurant is hamburger's specialty restaurant located in Roppongi. They don't use eggs or breadcrumbs as a binder, which means 100% beef. Kuroge Wagyu or Kobe Wagyu are their most popular menu. The buns are nude with 100% milk for a rich taste, savory smell, and sweetness that enhances the powerful flavor of the Wagyu beef. The hamburger is quite big. The restaurant itself is not that spacious, but you can enter without a reservation. I think the taste might be more suited to foreign tourists than Japanese people. Actually, 90% of the customers were foreign tourists when I went to the restaurant. It seems to be a friendly place for foreign tourists. They might be a bit pricey compared to other hamburger shops in Japan, but they are still very delicious. If you like hamburgers, please stop by before going to a club or bar in Roppongi. Number 9. Komugi Lab Pizza and Pasta. Before showing you this restaurant, do you know that there is a small Italian town in Tokyo? It's an interesting town that you may not think of as Japan. Don't take me wrong, I know Italy is a very lovely country, but please don't say you can just go to Italy. And please visit here as well. Okay then, let's get down to the main topic. This restaurant has just opened in February 2020 in Italian Gai town. The popular menus here are handmade pasta, including pizza made with wheat baked at 500 degrees Celsius. I got the bloody orange juice this time, but which seems to go well with wine. The sofa seats are relaxing and comfy, and you can enjoy a conversation with the chef at the counter seats. Depending on the season and weather, you can also bring your pets to eat at the terrace. If you often smoke, it's a good news. At this time, smoking is also allowed at the terrace. If you like pizza or pasta, you should definitely go to the restaurant. Number 10. TeamLab Planet. TeamLab Planet is a museum where you walk through water and you become one with flowers at gardens. It's about a 10-minute taxi ride from Tokyo Station, Tsukiji or Daiba. If you use a train, just take off at Shintoyosu Station or Toyasu Station. They have 4 large-scale artwork and 2 gardens in this area. Not only virtually, but you could also feel through your body. Yes, it's like another world. TeamLab is one of my best spots since a few years ago, so I've visited several times even by myself. This flower garden is outside, but you can borrow umbrella for free except for when it's not heavy raining. This flower garden is one of my best favorite areas of all. Walk around the TeamLab and find your most favorite. Just make sure not to come with skirts and heels, because the floor is see-through and rough for some artwork. Unfortunately, this TeamLab is supposed to be closed on 31st December 2023, but there is a good news too. The new TeamLab in Azabudai will be opened in 2023 autumn. Number 11. Robot Cafe. This is a cafe served by robots. They have curry, steaks, and sweets as well as beverages. This cafe is where employees who have disabilities can work from home. Employees are remotely controlling the robot and serve you food, even having a small talk with robots. The dessert here is also healthy and tasty. If you want to have a meal with robots, here is the best spot for you. You can shake hands and say goodbye. Bye bye. The last spot opened in September 2020 is in Ginza. It is operated by Japanese Railway Company, which is an elevated street with a length of 300 meters. There are about 30 stores where you can enjoy eating and drinking, miscellaneous goods, and fashion. Oku means a building in the back of Ginza or Hibiya, and Roji means the hidden mood of the elevated alley. The sophisticated and stylish space is spreading out, so it must be fun just walking. The elevated bridge itself has a long history of 100 years. The trains are still running on it. It's quite enough to forget the railway is running. I'm having a lunch at a multinational restaurant called Soreiyu. The point of the restaurant is multinational food and health. Here is the halal restaurant and they have some organic ingredients, superfoods, and vegan options as well. Just like these V marks are a dish for vegans. I got a Japanese beef hamburger. It is thick and juicy. See? It comes with salad and soup for lunch. Plus, there's a shop where you can easily eat Japanese sweets. There are about several flavors. I get the tiramisu flavored dumpling and truffle cookies at a shop named Wagashi Soso. Both were so good, but these truffle cookies are the best I've ever eaten. I need to apologize that I forgot to take a video because it was way too tasty. This is must eat when you come to Ginza. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you have anything you want me to do, please let me know in the comment section. Then, see you at the next video!